everyone! My name is Violetta.
Hello everyone, this is Rafael.
Welcome to the latest episode of Exploring Sanya 360.
Today we are in a very special place. We are here in Sanya to explore the Betel Valley, and this is a very special place because here we can learn a lot about the Lee culture.
Right, because you probably have heard about lots of ethnic culture, but I bet you've never heard of Lee and Miao.
Right, actually Lee culture is one of the 56 ethnic groups from China, and what is interesting is that was the first ethnic group of this island many years ago.
Right, and with a long history, Lee culture has to offer a rich variety of cuisine and mysterious customs.
I think that's very interesting. What about if we just go and start exploring this place?
Let's do it. So, Rafa, could you tell me what is it called bilangu?
Actually, it's a very good question. Bilangu in Chinese means Betel Nut Valley, and that is the place where we are here today. And why it's interesting is because here they found the oldest betel nut tree in the whole island. Actually, here we can find the 100 years Bilangu forest.
You know, I've heard that Hainan is famous for coconut trees, but it was a surprise for me that Lee ethnic culture is famous for betel nut trees.
Right, that's why betel nut is known as the living fossil of the Lee ethnic group. So Violetta, I think we have some very nice looking options here to try. I don't know if you're hungry or not, but I think we must give a try to this one. What do you think?
Yes, definitely. And which one is catching your eye at the moment?
Well, I think all of them look very good.
Ooh,
so actually
okay.
we can ask her what options we have here, and
Yes.
then we can choose one for one of us. So basically to say this is one of the specialities of Hainan Island, which is the coconut rice. Maybe we can give it a try to that one.
Okay, let me try actually bamboo rice, because it looks quite interesting, don't you think?
All right, yeah, it looks very good. I think especially because of the wrap. Let me do the honors for you.
I actually really like how they put it in the bamboo. It's quite original. I don't know, have you ever seen something
Never,
like that?
never. And actually I think it's gonna be very tasteful because I think it's cooked within the bamboo, so you probably get some of the flavor from the bamboo.
Right. That makes sense. Okay.
Go ahead and give it a try.
So it's rice, and I think there is something inside, and it looks like shrimp.
Probably shrimps. How does it taste like?
So as you can see, like here, the whole bamboo is filled with the rice, and it was definitely like shrimp, rice, and I think some other maybe seafood.
Okay, I'm gonna give a try to that. So basically also it's probably cooked within the coconut, so it probably has a very coconutty flavor. Actually, it's the first time for me I tried this kind of rice, to be honest.
It looks sticky.
I was right. Really good, actually. And it actually, because it's within this kind of bowl, inside actually a coconut, it actually absorbs the flavor from the coconut. I'm gonna give it a try to a second bite. So good.
Really nice, really nice.
So tasty. Again, these are some of the dishes that you must try if you ever come to Hainan Island. And there's also a very interesting cake that they make here. It's a coconut leaf cake. Actually, this one that we have here, they use still coconut leaf to wrap it. But what is interesting about this cake is a very traditional. Actually, they use this cake for special occasions like birthdays, weddings, or when a kid was born. They offer these kind of cakes to people. So this is kind of a celebration cake for local people here.
Wow.
It's also very tasty. Actually, want to give it a try because it has a very flavorful, crispy coconut inside.
Yes, go ahead. Because you are a big fan of coconut, so I'm sure you will appreciate it.
Certainly, and it's really, as I say, very tasty. So good, crispy inside, and again.
Well, you are a big fan of coconuts. I'm a big fan of rice. So I think that would be an honor for me to try the also very, very local traditional dish, which is a stir-fried in pineapple, and it also actually has pieces inside as well.
Right.
So you get the full experience of fried rice, pineapple, and carrots as well. So let me try it with the pineapple, and
The
it's
pineapple
gonna.
is the important part. That's okay. I think making a little of mess is part of the whole experience. I think it's really good, very tasteful. You got a big chunk of pineapple. How does it taste like? Good or not?
Yes, and what I love is that actually because it's cooked in the pineapple, it brings more of the flavor to rice.
To the rice, right? All good.
Love it, absolutely love
I
it.
think in general, all the dishes and the cuisine we have tried today here, they're all very good, very
Yes.
tasteful, and as we shared before, a must to try when you ever visit these islands.
So, Rafael, where are we going now?
Well, you know, there is a very interesting dish proper from the Lee ethnic culture that we must try as well. So what if we go that way and give it a try?
Yeah, let's do that.
Hello，欢迎来我家做客。我们今天体验的是黎家无味杂菜宴，这是第一道菜捞叶炒鸡。
Nice.
这是第二道菜革命菜。
Here, she's showing us the Lee traditional 5-flavored dishes which include sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and salty. In Chinese culinary culture, these 5 flavors are the fundamental taste of cuisine and are also one of the key criteria for evaluating a dish.
这是第五道菜小黄牛。这是我们黎家三色饭，这是我们黎家的糯米酒，可以尝一下我们黎家的糯米酒。
All right.
我们黎家的糯米酒，喝了不容易醉，醉了不容易醒，醒了不容易忘。
Wow. Sounds
Wow.
interesting. I want to have more of that then.
Cheers for that.
So good. So
Nice.
tasteful. So you can give it a try to the rice.
Yes. It tastes like normal rice. I wouldn't say it's a big difference, but I think a whole experience of how it looks like makes it special. Hey, did you hear that?
I hear some crowds over there.
Yeah, let's check it out.
I'm really curious too. Let's go.
Yeah. We were invited to participate in their bonfire party. It was so much fun. We did bamboo dance and joined a sacred fire lighting ceremony that Lee people used to do to pray for blessings. Then everyone just danced together. It was really unforgettable experience. What a magical day!
Absolutely.
We got to experience local cuisine,
Right?
And then we also had a chance to see how did they live, right?
Right.
Which village and the buildings, and it was just amazing.
Yeah, it was a beautiful experience. All the dances, the food,
Yes.
the people was super unforgettable. I think this experience is totally recommended to anyone who wants to come here.
Oh yes, 100%. And if you guys want to learn more about Sanya, Hainan, follow Visit Sanya for more videos like this so you can enjoy it fully.
Absolutely. As usual, thank you so much for watching, everyone. And with that, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye!